How to set up US fulfillment with ShipBob for your Shopify store. Follow the instructions. Sign up on ShipBob and choose the United States as your preferred fulfillment location. Link your Shopify store to ShipBob through the integrations page in your ShipBob dashboard. Sync your Shopify products with ShipBob and confirm SKUs, weights, and dimensions are correct. Create a WRO and send inventory to a selected US warehouse with labeled shipments. Set up shipping rules in ShipBob that match your Shopify shipping methods and pricing. Enable auto-fulfillment in Shopify to let ShipBob process new US orders automatically. Use the ShipBob dashboard to monitor orders, track shipping, and manage inventory levels. Place a test order to verify the sync, fulfillment, and tracking updates flow properly.
Thanks for watching.